All right, guys, here we go again. Section 4, page 142. They talk about scales and rules. Ultimately, scales and rules are tape measures, measuring sticks, okay? And you need to understand that, yes, we need to know fractions, but they can also be in metric dimensions, okay? So pretty much, like we do always, what is the exact measurement, okay? Make sure you do have them correct, double check them. All right. Next one, dividers. Okay, what's a divider? Well, it's kind of like a protractor, but instead of having a pencil on one end, it's got two pokies, okay? And it's two sharpened lines, which means that we can, and this has a little screw right here that tightens it down. And if we go from this point to this point, it's an exact inch. That means that I can mark it off in equal spaces, or if I hold one pokey down, I can scribe a circle that's 2 inches, okay? Pretty cool, right? All right, so this illustration says, what is the pitch? What should my dividers be sent at? All right, remember, soapstone chalk and scribes can be used to mark off measurements. However, the divider is the most commonly used tool because it's quick and it's accurate. All right, dividers. Now, dividers can be used to do a circle, a diameter on bearings and bosses. What they means is on circles, to make circles, okay? And whiting material or bluing or dyeing is this stuff that you kind of paint over it. It's kind of a transparent paint, okay? And when we use a scribe or a divider, it scratches into that material and it makes like a little silver line, okay? But here's something that we have to remember. If we want a diameter of 2 1/4 inches, what does our radius have to be? 1 1/8. So when we do this, we divide by 2 to make sure that's the size that our divider should be at, okay? So they say put a block of wood in the center. That's where the center of my divider is going to be, okay? And I'm going to go out for a radius of 1.125 or 1 1/8 of an inch and scribe around, and it makes my finished diameter of 2 1/4 inches. So what should the dividers be adjusted for to properly scribe the diameters? Well, here you go. All right, whiting material, sometimes flour, that's the old school version, used to make a scribed line more visible. Bluing and dyes do the same thing, okay? Now, we want to make sure that we put it to the surface of whatever we're doing, wedge a block of wood in the inside to make sure we can get the center, and use dividers to scribe it. Okay, now, we're talking about how we're going to scribe this piece of pipe. And it says the inside diameter is 4 inches from here to here. The ID is 4 inches. And the OD, the outside diameter, is 8 inches. The machined boss, or this pipe, should have an inside diameter of 6. What should we do to adjust the scribe, or properly scribe the dividers, so they should be at what? They should be at 3 inches. Okay, last one, trammel. Well, some of you guys actually have used a trammel before. You just probably didn't know. The old school version is a big long board with 2 nails on the end. One to hold one down and the other one to scratch a circle. Ultimately, we're doing this for a very large area. Okay? So, they're saying, at what dimension should the trammel be set to locate items 5? Now let's look at this. This is 8-foot diameter. This is 30 inches. This is 33. So it says, well, here's my center. How far do I have to get it to? Number 5. Measured from the cutting plane, and we can see that it says section AA, so we know this is a cutting plane. What is the distance to the center of each outer pair of 5? Well, let's see, where's 5? 5's right here. Well, all right. We'll do chalk lines next.